Today we're going to make a chili cheese Frito crusted chicken. It's easy and yummy. Even Blah can make it. But first, we have to talk about kitchen safety. Let's talk about knives. A sharp knife is even safer than a dull knife. If you use a dull knife, you have to push super hard, and you could slip and cut your hand off. Let's talk about raw chicken. First, you have to wash your hands before and after you touch it. And then second, you have to, you can't lick your hands, mess with your hair, touch your face, none. First step, wash your hands. Next, we have to preheat the oven to 450. Next, we have to get our ingredients ready, which means we have to crunch up our Fritos. Let's pour our Fritos into a large Ziploc bag. The best way to do it is put it over the top and then just turn it over. So get your rolling pin out and start rolling. Let's get our pan ready by greasing it. It smells like popcorn. Now let's get our chicken ready for the oven. Now let's put a thin layer of mayonnaise on our chicken. It's a binder for the chips. Now let's drop it in our Fritos. Just kind of play with it and flip it every which way. Now place it on your pan. It's as simple as that. Then, just put it in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. You might have Mom or Dad help you with this part. I don't know what one. See, I would have done the wrong one. Ooh, that one. Ooh, just kidding. Now it's time to take it out of the oven. Now, let's plate it. Now, wasn't that easy? So let's make the exact same recipe, just with mozzarella string cheese in the middle. First, surround it with saran wrap, and then pound it out with a mallet. string cheese. Put half of it in the middle. Roll up your chicken around your cheese. I stick toothpicks in through to hold it together. Now do the same thing, but be careful not to stab yourself. Now put it in your Fritos. Now just put it in the oven. Cooking time and temperature are the very same. Okay, it's done. Ooh, that looks good. Thanks.